Welcome to Cwad Tech. In this tutorial, we'll show you step by step how to control which apps have access to your location on Windows 10. Privacy is crucial, and knowing which apps can track your location is essential to protect your data. Windows 10 allows you to manage app permissions, giving you control over your privacy settings. Go to Settings. Then Privacy Settings. Location. In the left-hand menu, click on Location. Turn off location access. You'll see an option that says, Allow access to location on this device. Toggle this off to disable location access for all apps. These steps should help you manage and control which apps can access your location on Windows 10. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.